Session 1 of Module 1. Texas Notary Publics are governed primarily by Chapter 406 of the Texas Government Code, Texas Secretary of State's Administrative Rules found in Title I, Chapter 87 of the Texas Administrative Code, other statutes such as Chapter 121 of the Texas Civil Practice and Remedies Code. The Texas Secretary of State website is going to be your primary source of information. I strongly encourage you to become familiar with this website. If you are not sure about how to do something, go to this site and do the research. If you can't find the answer, give them a call. Now let's discuss the process. How do you become a Texas notary? In order to become a Texas Notary Public, you must meet the eligibility requirements, you must complete the application, submit your fees, purchase a bond, and take the oath of office. The eligibility requirements can be found in Section 406.004 of the Texas Government Code and includes the following. Must be at least 18 years of age, be a resident of the state of Texas, and not have been convicted of a felony or crime involving moral turpitude. Now let's explore moral turpitude. What does this mean? Well, in this context, a crime involving moral turpitude includes the commission of a crime involving dishonesty, fraud, deceit, misrepresentation, deliberate violence, moral depravity, or that reflects adversely on the applicant's honesty, trustworthiness, or fitness as a notary public, which may include but not be limited to Class A and B type misdemeanors and felony convictions which have not been set aside or for which no pardon or certificate of restoration of citizenship rights have been granted. As you can see, moral turpitude covers a broad spectrum of crimes and felonies, so not just anyone can become a Texas Notary Public. If you have been convicted of any crimes, you are required to list them on your notary application. Now let's discuss the Notary Public application. Your application must include the name to be used in acting as a Notary Public, your post office address, your county of residence, your date of birth, your driver's license number, or the number of other official state identification. The Secretary of State has developed a system for electronic submission of your Notary Public application. So basically, when submitting your application to become a Notary Public, everything can be done electronically. A simple Google search will return several different vendors offering the purchase of your notary commission and supplies online. You can go directly to the Texas Secretary of State's website to complete your notary application. However, if you do that, you will need to contact an insurance company to purchase a $10,000 bond first, and that insurance information needs to be included in your application. It's a lot easier to submit your application through an organization like the American Association of Notaries. That way, not only are you paying the application fee, but you are also paying for your bond and your notary supplies all at once. By the way, I don't receive any referral fees or discounts for referring you to the American Association of Notaries. I just happen to think it's a great organization. And that is the end of Session 1.